Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your GoTV subscription using the Recharge app platform. So the first thing you need to do if you want to buy your GoTV subscription is to visit the Play Store and get your Recharge app on your phone. So I'm going to go on Play Store and then I'm going to search for Recharge app instant top up over here. So you can see this is the application. You can click on it. It's going to open on the application page, and the next thing you're going to do is to install your application. But I already have mine installed on my phone, so I'm going to click on the open button over here. So once you have installed your application on your phone, you are going to see this message or this notification message once you open your application. So you go through the message, and then once you have read it, you click on the understood button over here. Now you are going to come to the home page. You're going to click on the open over here, and then you'll be taken to this login page. Now if you don't have an account, you're going to need to register your account by clicking on this register now button. But this page are for people who already have an account. Now to log in, you just need to input your email and your password. So let me show you how the registration page looks like. So right here on the registration page, right here on the registration page, and to register, the first thing you're going to do is to fill up this information. They are going to provide your first name, your last name, your email, your mobile number, create a password for yourself, and if you have a referral code, you insert it. If you don't have, you don't need to insert any referral code. So once you have filled up the necessary information, you just need to click on the register button over here, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the login page. So I'm going to log into my account. So I have logged into my account. So note that you are going to be asked to activate your account and then create a PIN. Now you'll be sent an activation code if you're a new user to activate your account, and then you'll be asked to create a PIN. Now once you select your 4-digit PIN that you're going to create, that PIN is what you're going to be using to to log in your account every time you want to access your recharge app account. So it's like your security pin. Now I'm going to insert my security pin over here, and then I'm going to click on proceed. So now we're right here on our dashboard, and as you can see, you can go through the application and check out the features and the services that we provide on recharge app. Now if you need support, we have our blog and guide page over here, and we also have our tutorial and social links over here. So on the blog and guide page, we provide articles and blog posts that we teach you and educate you on how the application works. And the tutorial and social links on this page, we provide videos and educational videos that will teach you on how you can use the recharge app application. So based on this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe for your GoTV using the Recharge app platform. Now, the first thing you need to do when you want to subscribe for your GoTV, you just need to click on this green button over here that says Fund Your Wallet. Now, you're going to see this automatic funding account, but before you can actually get this automatic funding account, you have to verify your KYC, meaning your know your customer profile. So to do that, you just need to provide your BVN, and that's all. So right now I have already verified my KYC. That's why I can see this automatic funding account over here. So guys, I have already created another video that will show you how you can create your account and also verify your KYC, which will help you fund your wallet. So I'm going to drop a link on this video description and also on the comment section, so you can go through that video and also learn how you can do this yourself. So I'm going to fund my wallet using this automatic funding account over here, and I'm going to deposit my funds into this Wema bank account. So I'm going to be back in a few seconds. So guys, we have transferred 4,000 naira into our wallet, and now I'm going to close this page, and then I'm going to refresh this page over here. So as you can see, if you can see the message that has popped up on my screen, it says you have successfully funded your account with 4,000 naira. Your old balance was zero, now your new balance is 4,000. So I'm going to click on OK. Now to fund my GoTV um, account, now to subscribe to my GoTV account, all I just need to do is to scroll this way, like scroll the our service box, or you can just click on the view all over here. Now you locate the TV cables over here. As you can see, cable TV over here. Now all you just need to do is to select your TV of your choice. Now I'm going to select Go TV over here, and then I'm going to select my package. For this, I'm going to use the Jolly package. So I have 4,000 on my wallet, but it's 4,009 naira. So there's an extra 9 naira to this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 9 naira to this my wallet. So once I add the 9 naira, I'm going to come back. So I have added the 1 naira. I'm sorry, I've added 10 naira to my wallet right now. And as you can see, this is 4,010 naira. So I'm going to go back to the TV cables again. I'm going to select Go TV. No, Go TV. I'm going to select the Jolly package over here. Now I'm going to insert my IUC number. Note that your IUC number is the number that you see behind your GoTV decoder. It's supposed to be covered in red paper or something like that. Or you will see it once your GoTV subscription has expired. You will see the message that tells you that you should subscribe, and here is your IUC number. So I'm going to put my PIN. Now I've inputted my PIN, and then I'm going to click on verify. So as you can see, my account has verified and it said this is okay. You can make your purchase now. So I'm going to click on the OK, and I've verified that this IC number belongs to me. So I'm going to click on the buy now button. Now they say that okay, you can purchase. Are you sure you want to purchase this subscription for your GoTV? I say okay. So as you can see, my subscription was successful and my transaction was a successful one. Now, all I just need to do now is to go back to my GoTV and view my TV and my channels. So as you can see, you have come to the end of this video. I hope you all got value from this video. Please drop a comment on the comment section if you have any question or if you need us to make any video that can help you solve your problem on the recharge app, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.